Kristoff, come on, you have to do more. Kristoff, I can't be doing all the work here. Yeah, I know that. It's just, we're gonna sleep in this tonight, take it all apart. What's the point on making it look nice now? You have a point, but no. It's just the way things work around here. Okay, what now? I don't know. Seems pretty good to me. No, it's too bland in here. It needs to have some kind of dresser. Our dresser broke. The what broke? The dresser? When? You don't remember that? No. When did that happen? When we were moving? Who broke it? No one broke it on purpose, my love. Why would anyone do that? We need a closet. Oh, I know something. I remember when Elsa gave me this portrait or a picture. Help me hang it on the wall, please. Up there. Okay. Can I step on the bed? Yes, you can step on the bed. Thought I wasn't allowed to. Okay. There.